And we're going to talk about the shocking reason why we could see some of these insane targets. Do I think that XRP is going to $600? No. Do I think it's going to $589? No, not this cycle. Not this cycle. I can see it going to $5.89. I did a live stream for you guys. We talked about that. I gave my reasoning why. Yeah, it's kind of like a joke, $5.89, but a lot of the dino coins, and again, calling something a dino coin is not a bad thing. There just means that they're older coins. XLM is pumping, Cardano, HBAR, all kinds of stuff. This is a very, 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 very exciting time in crypto. Really. I know Bitcoin hasn't hit $100,000 yet, but at the same time, this is wonderful. All of you guys that have held, that have been here, that have been watching the show, supporting me as I'm able to support you, the XRP army, and really crypto in general. And the reason why it's so important to support crypto in general, or to give Ripple props, is they fought for the entire industry. Yeah, was it self-serving? It could have been. But at the same time, you guys, XRP not being a security on the secondary market is indication to me that we will be getting XRP ETF, spot ETF in 2025. Quarter one might be a little bit volatile. We might not get a lot of regulatory clarity, but things are definitely going to change. Things are going to change, and this is exciting. If you guys are still here, you should pat yourself on the back. Another question I'm getting a lot is, should you take profit? How long? Is the bull market still here when you take profit? That is a personal choice, okay? That's something that you need to decide. You should have a trading and investing journal. You should be looking at that, and you should decide what makes sense. I personally think we're going to see a long-term bull run. I think it's going to last until the duration of 2025. That doesn't mean we won't have volatile drops. But at the same time, we got to see what's going on. We really, really, really have to see what's going on. It's exciting. Very, very, very exciting. And again, taking profit is never bad. It's never bad because you don't know what's going to happen with the market. But at the same time, we're going to go ahead and really, really cover what all the bullish news that's happening with XRP, the stable coin, the new ETF listing, all of it. All of it. And again, I really, 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 really can see us hitting $5.89. Is XRP my favorite coin? No. And do I own the most of it? No, I own a lot more Bitcoin, a lot more Ethereum, a lot more of a lot of other coins than I do XRP, but I support the XRP community. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I think you guys are amazing. So thank you for supporting me. Let's get into it. First, let's just take a quick look at the market, do a little bit of market recap. So this is going to be on the weekly. Kaya's up 91%, virtual 142%, XRP 85%, IOTA, that's another dino coin, ENS 75%, a little bit of a dino coin. Algo, 98%, a little bit of a dino coin, but that's not a bad thing. It's not a derogatory term. It's just an older coin. And we love to see it. Now taking a look at TradingView, let's just see what Miss B has got going on, what we got with her. So we're going to go down over here. Okay. We did a weekly stream yesterday, and I said we're probably going to consolidate this week between about $89,000 and $100,000. And that's fine with me. And also on the weekly, looking at market cipher, it does look like it wants to drop a little bit, which again is okay. Is totally, totally okay. Bitcoin drops, altcoin drops. You guys can figure out if you want to take profit, do whatever it is you want to do, and you want to get more, accumulate more. These drops are blessings. This is going to be on the weekly. Taking a look at the daily. Yep, just more sideways action. We have another clear indication that market might go back down. And again, like a test to like 91, 89,000, I'm with it. I'm with it. On the 4-hour chart here, it looks like we want to head down as well. If you guys would like to trade with me, we've got a ref link for Femex down below. If you want to trade meme coins with me, you guys can go ahead and do that on Moonshot. I get money, you get money. Same with Femex. Femex is giving you a bonus, not your keys, not your coins, and read the terms of service. No need to use high leverage. Now with Ethereum, let's take a look and see what she's doing over here. What does she got going on? Okay, so this is our Ethereum chart over here. Ethereum had a really nice run up to about $3,700. We actually let me remove all of the drawings. We hit this area of resistance here and we failed to get back above, but that's okay. Daily is looking like we may fall between about to $3,500. So Bitcoin continues to drop. This is like the area that I would look to for Ethereum. Will Ethereum do well this cycle? I think that it will. It's going to take a little bit of time though, because we have projects like Solana. And again, Solana is dropping as well. And that's good. Let her drop. Did I buy the top? 'Cause because I got FOMO? Heck yeah. Am I still in profit? Yes. Yes. Anyways, I will be buying more Solana. I've got some baby powder, some dry powder. So if we get closer to the $200 area, I will definitely pick up some more. Shout out to the dog community. I got some of that. But let's take a look at XRP and see what she's doing. XRP had a high of $2.87. And one of the things I want to say really quickly, all of you literally were so pressed that XRP was not pumping. We have all the announcements. Why isn't it pumping? And I told you, part of the issue, the reason why number wasn't going up. First off, price does not equate to utility. Number two, the market wasn't really looking great for some of the larger market cap coins. And in addition, we got the pro-crypto president. Now we're seeing a lot of these positive changes, and this is absolutely amazing. You should be happy. You should be proud of yourself. But at the same time, those of you who are the impatient ones in the mentions, you need to take a step back and reanalyze your portfolios and analyze your trading and investing strategy. Because if you cannot be patient, you will lose a lot of money trading. You will. Make sure you guys subscribe with all alerts set. And let me just give a quick shout out to the O Army, to Mr. Chipper, to gorgeous Alexandra, Mr. R, Mr. Chen, and gorgeous Julie. I'm so happy for you guys. Shout out to everyone. I am a dino girl. Hold on. The dino coins are pumping. So I got that. I got that at the thrift store for $5. I cleaned it, don't worry. But it's for my nephew. But shout out to the dino coins. And this is going to be the new prop for the O show, unless my nephew is using it. But when the dino coins are pumping, we're putting on this mask. And we are roaring to y'all. Shout out to the dino coins. Oh my gosh. Okay, compose yourself, woman. Compose yourself, woman. Yeah, KS sent me a coffee mug with myself on it. I'm absolutely ridiculous. I'm a mom, you guys. I'm ridiculous. Like, it is what it is. Okay, let's get back to the XRP technical analysis. So, look at this. Look at this God tier candle. We are approximately 16% pump, and we are breaking all-time high at $3.31. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Wow. Congratulations to all of you. It's inevitable. It really is. And where's 589 again? 589 is my conservative target. I know you guys think I'm a nerd, and I'm always conservative. It's not that I'm bearish. I just try to be conservative. And that's why when things end up doing better, then you can give yourself a pat on the back. We are 100% pump away from $5.89. And we'll get it. I think we will get it. I really think we'll get it. Smash the like, okay? Smash the like for the new prop of the O show and to XRP. But realistically, let's look at some TA here. So we got some nice bullish continuation. Taking a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, we've got some really great support here at about $2.46. We're going to denote that with a different color because why not? And then we also have got great support here at about $2. I'm not saying we're going to drop that low. I'm just simply saying those are areas that you want to pay attention to. Also, XRP flipped Solana and Tether in the last 24 hours. XRP is number 3 on CoinMarketCap, okay? Number 3. Market cap, $154 billion. Tether is $134 billion. Solana, $106 billion. Will XRP flip Solana? We did it in the past. I think we could again, especially the way Ethereum's going. And I do think we will see a $10 billion market cap or $10 trillion market cap in crypto. So I'm just excited. I'm happy. Congratulations to XRP Army. Congratulations to everybody who's made money. Yep, XRP surpasses $150 billion market cap. Shout out to the PP holders. Now let's talk about this. So there's this dude. Of course, this guy says, who is this guy over here? He says, analyst warns of leverage-driven XRP pump as token flips Tether. Let's talk about this. So basically, this dude is concerned with how XRP open interest spiked 30% 24 hours to 4 billion, signaling potential volatility. Rapid gains may lead to sharp sell-offs. Investors advised to manage risk. You should always manage. You should always manage risk. Always. Why wouldn't you? You should. Now, with that being said, a lot of people don't seem to understand how XRP works as far as the community goes, okay? And I've been telling you guys, not my people, but like on X and like these other platforms, the XRP army is super prevalent on TikTok and on YouTube. And that's where retail is. Could we have open interest? Could we have some of these other factors? Yes. But at the same time, a lot of people are underestimating how bullish retail is on a global scale on XRP. Is it open interest that pumped it? I don't think so. I think it was more of a retail thing. I do. I really, really, really do. Could be wrong. Happy to be wrong. But yes, practice risk management. Be careful. But at the end of the day, this is wonderful. Gary Cardone said, XRP is running out of supply. This will elicit a lot of response from who cares to thank God. Let's see over here. Let's see. Are we running out of supply? A lot of people are holding it. I don't know. Market cap, trading volume. I don't think it's running out of supply. I don't. I think we're just fine. I think we are just fine. Now let's get into the next story over here. This is the big one. Well, there's two big ones. XRP ETF filing number 4. Wisdom Tree Funds officially files an S1 with the SEC for an XRP spot ETF. Wisdom Tree joins Bitwise 21 Shares Canary Funds for applying for a fund that tracks the daily price of XRP. Smash a like if you are excited about this. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And we have over 1,000 people on YouTube and on TikTok. Thank you guys so much. This is a wonderful. Hey, gamer, I'm not creepy. Leave me alone. Shout out to Mr. R. I know. Shout out to John. I'm a goofball, you guys. All right, but so this is bullish. And again, I really think that XRP will get an ETF in 2024. I do. Or excuse me, 2025. Why wouldn't we? We've got 4 big companies that applied for it. Gary Gensler's leaving, I think, January 20th, 2025. Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we get an XRP spot ETF approved when in the lawsuit, Judge Chors deemed that XRP is not a security on the secondary market? Why wouldn't we? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are literally the only cryptos that are not necessarily deemed securities. And if the SEC really wants to protect us, why wouldn't they allow this to get approved? Think about it. Happy to be wrong, more than happy to be wrong, but my gut feeling is telling me we're going to get the XRP ETF in 2025, Q2 latest. In addition to that, I think we're going to see $5.89. Could we see $100? I don't think this cycle, but at the same time, y'all a little cuckoo. Now, this is what really kicked off the insanity, okay? Oh, where did it go? Oh, sorry, it was over here. I made a little mistakey over here. Here we go. Where the hee-haw is it? Where did it go? I know, you guys, I'm a cuckoo person. Oh, here we go. All right. Ripple poised for New York approval of stablecoin set to enter regulated U.S. crypto market. People close to the matter say NYDFS has indicated to Ripple it will approve RLUSD, and the company is eyeing a possible launch date of December 4th. Thank you, gamer. I appreciate you. So, December 4th is 2 days. Mark your calendars. Wednesday, December 4th. There is a big chance we will get the approval of RULSD, which is the stable coin to Ripple. And XRP is going to help with the liquidity. This is going to be an over-collateralized asset. What does that mean? It basically means when they applied for this, and part of the terms that they applied for, saying that, hey, we have more assets to back this up than we should, which is a little bit different than what we saw with Terra Luna and some of the other stable coins. So this is absolutely outstanding. This is a big deal. And again, this is from Ellie. So RLUSD will provide a stablecoin alternative to XRP, competing with US stablecoin issuers like Circle, Paxos, and Gemini. The stablecoin market is valued at $190 billion, with expected growth under the Trump administration's pro-crypto stance. Ripple will collaborate with Bitstamp and MoonPay and Uphold for the launch, and XRP will act as liquidity. Wow. Also, too, going back to the XRP spot ETF, Coinbase affiliates will act as XRP custodian and prime execution agent. If you are not bullish on XRP, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. This is amazing. Make sure you guys smash a like. We got 1,200 people here. Please smash a like. I appreciate it. And wow, this is exciting. It's just absolutely amazing. Like, wow. Congratulations, dudes. All right, let's get into the next story because there's more bullishness coming. And as always, practice risk management. I know I say it a lot, but I don't care. I'm your mom. MicroStrategy from Mr. Bitcoin Bull himself. MicroStrategy has acquired 15,400 Bitcoin for $1.5 billion at approximately 95,976, and has achieved a Bitcoin yield of 38.7 quarter to date and 63.3% year to date. As of 12/2/2024, we hold 402,100 Bitcoin, acquired for $23.4 billion at 58,263 per Bitcoin. And again, MicroStrategy's tactic is very different than our tactic because they're taking out collateralized loans. It's freaking crazy. But hey, we got people like this that are pumping Bitcoin. And in addition to that, Michael Saylor met with Microsoft's board to discuss adopting Bitcoin. I'm not going to play the video because I don't want to get dinged over here. Everybody's saying it's so bullish, it's scary. It shouldn't be scary to you. If you have a trading and investing plan and you have your emotions in check, it shouldn't matter what other people are saying. I can be super bullish. I'm super bullish when we get a freaking 80% drop with Bitcoin. I was in Bitcoin in 2017 when we dropped from like $19,900 to $3,800, and I was still bullish. So, back to MicroStrategy. Saylor advocated for Microsoft to invest heavily in Bitcoin to capitalize on its potential growth and market impact. Basically, what he's doing, he's shilling his bags to other people that have the same amount of capital as him and his company does so that he can capitalize off of it and make money. Because he was early and he got a better price than these other companies. He claimed Microsoft could add $4.9 trillion to its market cap. Yes. And that's beneficial for Michael Saylor. So of course he's going to shill it to Microsoft. He said it could increase its stock price by $584 if it shifted all cash flows, dividend payouts, and buyback shares and debt into Bitcoin. The fact that this is being discussed publicly is ridiculous. It's not insider trading. It's just crazy, man. Crazy. He urged Microsoft to consider Bitcoin investment over stock buybacks or bond holdings, framing Bitcoin as the next technological revolution. Basically, that's centralization. Saylor recently predicted Bitcoin reaching $1.7 million by 2034. I will take it. I will take it all day. All day, baby. All day. All right. Oh, I missed this one over here. Okay. Okay. So this we're going to talk about a little bit. Oh, it's not working. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and read you my little bit of notes over here that we have. Okay. So spot crypto exchange volume hit 2.7 trillion in November. It was the highest since May of 2021, doubling October's 1.4 trillion. This is indicating a bull market. This is indicating more retail is buying, selling, and trading on exchanges. A lot of the volume, though, that we are seeing not related to this is actually on chain. With Ethereum, with Solana, with Base, with Arbitrum, with all these different chains. And XRP's got meme coins now on the XRP out. So Binance dominated. Then crypto.com, Upbit, and Bybit. Bitcoin futures at 2.59 trillion, Ethereum 1.28 trillion, which is not too bad for Ethereum. And this is both their highest since May 2021. And then we got this story over here. Bitcoin exchange balances hit historic lows as long-term holders tighten supply, signaling potential for more upward momentum. This means there's less Bitcoin on the market for people to buy it. Bitcoin is a finite asset. Only 21 million will ever be made. And that's why number goes up, because of the demand for it. And we have this massive company, Microsoft. Michael Saylor thinks that Microsoft could add 4.9 trillion to the market cap. What do you think is going to happen? If Microsoft announces its involvement in Bitcoin, very similar to MicroStrategy, what do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin supply? Think about it. Shout out to VeChain. VeChain's pumping hard. Woo! Love it. Love it. Make sure you guys smash like. I've got 1,300 of you in here. And only 354 likes. I love it, though. This is amazing. This is exciting. Smash a like and make sure you guys are subscribed. This is cool. Cool beans, man. Woo! Congratulations to all of you. Our next story. Bitcoin dipped at the start of every month for 6 months before bouncing back each time. Cool. I'm happy with it. Also, too, good news. Shout out to Sean Dog, but it looks like Charles H from Cardano. He has agreed to come on a space with me and Silent Swap and SQUIDGROW. Reason being is that Silent Swap are building a privacy DEX. It's actually launching on 12/9/2024. The arbitrage opportunity is amazing. So it's launching very, very soon. And if you guys don't know, Cardano has this really cool thing called Midnight. It's the privacy aspect of Cardano, which Charles and David Swartz from XRP had a discussion about using Midnight's technology on the XRPL for privacy. So he's agreed. I don't know when we'll get him on. I really appreciate, Charles, for you responding and wanting to come on space with me. I will let you guys know when it happens, but it's going to be a privacy-focused space because I really want to learn more about what Midnight is doing as far as privacy goes. And Charles also thinks that privacy is important. And I'm with it. And can you imagine a partnership, like a legitimate partnership between Ripple and Cardano? How unstoppable that would be? Are they older coins? Yes. Can they be called Dino coins? Yes. Who freaking cares? If they're building a better quality of life for people, shout out to the Dino coins. Doesn't matter. Bitcoin's a Dino coin too, man. It's good. It's wonderful. Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing, and we get to learn about privacy. Thank you so much, you guys. Make sure y'all smash a like. We got, holy cow, we have 25,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you guys. Also, too, if you guys, this is like a little mom thing over here. So CZ, he's not in crypto anymore, but he's working on Giggle Academy. Kids read for free and you get to earn BNB, which is the native token. But I'm really going to be checking this out. I'll let you guys know a little bit more about it, but I'm going to show my daughter and see if she wants to try, and my nephew as well, which is really cool. But basically, Giggle Academy is allowing access to education. And if you get to earn crypto while doing it, love it. Now, we're going to get into something that's not as sexy. Okay? That's not as sexy, but we have to talk about it. Okay? We've got to talk about it. Why not talk about Bitcoin Cash? Shout out to Bitcoin Cash. I had one somewhere and I think it's gone now. I don't know. So you guys know about all the unbanking stuff. Okay? I can't get into this too terribly much, but one thing I will say, this is part of Chocolate Point 2.0. The president's wife and son were debanked. Brian Armstrong chimed in about AML regulations, and he says that they have been a policy failure. He says they cost $213 billion annually, harm legitimate consumers, as far as we've seen with these debanking stories, and only managed to stop 0.02% of illicit activity, according to the UN. This is going to be the origin story of Chocolate 2.0. I can't say that, but I want to, and shout out to Stuart. Great. Oh, we'll talk about that in a second. But one thing I want to talk about. So there was about 30 VCs that ended up coming out saying, hey, under this last administration, we've been unbanked. And remember, we saw the banking contagion that happened with like Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank and all of that stuff. That was kind of part of it. So people are paying attention now because it's rich people, it's VCs. And I want to remind you, everyone deserves access to a bank. Everybody, because if you want to do business in the United States of America, you can't do so without a bank account. Heck, sometimes you can't even get a job. But one thing I want you to remember, where was the outrage when the underdogs were unbanked? Where was the outrage when poor people were unbanked or poor people weren't able to get access to bank accounts because they would only be able to keep a small amount of money there because they're living paycheck to paycheck? They would get an overdraft fee and then the bank wouldn't give them a bank account again. What about the people that were not able to get credit cards? I was one of those people. I was one of those people that was unbanked for a while because I had a bad history at the bank because I was a hot mess. Did I make mistakes? Yes. Was it my fault in some circumstances? Yes. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of people that are unbanked in the United States of America. And we should be making as much noise about the VCs that we are them. That's all I'm going to say. Unbanking someone is wrong. It is not good. We don't like it. But at the same time, don't forget the underdogs, baby. Don't. And then we got to talk about this story. If you invest in this, you're a goofball. We are not investing in this any way, shape, or form. But this is Enron. If you guys don't know what Enron is, go ahead and take a little bit of a history lesson. But basically, Enron, yes, the one, is relaunching to solve the global energy crisis with decentralized technology, teasing some token. And this is the real company. And they're announcing a revival. And this is Enron that went bankrupt and hurt many, many people. It was a legitimate Ponzi scheme. They want to solve the global energy crisis with decentralized tech. Enron went bankrupt in 2001 due to massive accounting fraud, cough, cough, FTX. Bankruptcy filings reveal about $74 billion in debt. It was the largest fraud scheme in the U.S. history at the time. I think FTX is now, and some of the other ones. The event reshaped corporate regulations. So basically, these guys are back, and they want you to invest in their product. I'm showing you so you don't invest. Well, you can do whatever you want to do. I think this is ridiculous. This is not, I mean, crypto is a true decentralized economy, but this is effing ridiculous, okay? What? Literally, what is this? Be careful what you guys invest in. If you want to check it out, check it out. I'm not condoning you do. I think it's ridiculous. Oh, Eric's late. Oh, he's late. Yeah, Bernie Madoff. Anyways, on this note, guys, we're going to end the show. I will be back tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. PST. Sometimes I drop shorts for you guys in the morning with breaking news. Please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss anything, because I want to give you more. And I can't give you more if you're not subscribed, honey. In addition to that, I might have a video for you at 3:30 p.m. PST, and I normally do. But I'm here to give it to you raw and give you the best crypto news as unbiased as possible. Now, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you had a wonderful time, holiday time with your family. Go eat a banana. Sending y'all love and light. Wendy O is out, baby. Bye. Bye, my loves. I'll see you soon.